So, got a 03 Jeep Wrangler TJ. Gonna be replacing the air conditioning pump as well as the dryer here. So, since the dryer is close, and the air conditioning pump is way down there, I'm going to start with the dryer. You can see the lines coming out here. It's buried pretty deep. So, disconnected my battery cable. Pulled the first wire off already. I'm going to get to these first couple AC lines coming off that thing. Alright, so number 13 socket needs to be deep for the little bit of stud sticking out there. I got a nice short one, that should work good. Coming right on off. The second one's a little tighter. Not too bad. A bit of rust here. Now it's just to be the bracket. Alright, brackets on the side here. Gonna be a number 8 for that little clamp holder there. Lots of room to work here, not a big deal. I wonder if this thing's just gonna fall out on me or what. Let's see. Looks like there's a rib. That's pretty loose. Let's see what it does. So, this one here is on the soft line, so it pulled out pretty easy. Other one's on that hard line there. Probably just disconnect it since I'm replacing all the O-rings in the process here. There's videos online on these things. This first clip's just a retainer. It'll snap right off. Like I said, I'm going to be doing all my O-rings, so I'll take both of them off there. now, there's basically a spring retainer inside of this. So we need to get a plastic sleeve to slide in there. Or you can buy the fancy tools. They're pretty cheap, like $10. So instead of doing the disconnect on the valve here, since not everybody's going to need to do that, I'm going to see backing this bolt all the way out will let it slide down far enough. Yeah, there we go. Should about do it. So what I got here is a little lip. I still don't think it's going to go past that lip. Yeah, a little shoulder there. So that's what's hanging it up. So we're just going to finish taking the bolt all the way out and it should fall right off. Ha! This is slotted. Sucker. So, we noticed that earlier. That bracket there is actually slotted, so once you get it loose enough, it would have just slid out of there. Learn something together. Alright, so be careful. Oil.